Hi, this is Miss Griffith, and I have come to you today with some word problem help. The first thing that we're going to do is go over the cube strategy, CUBES, and this is a strategy that you can use to help you break down word problems. And then we are going to look at some action words that are frequently used in word problems. And the action words are used to help you determine if you need to add or subtract. The first thing we are going to do is go over cubes. So cubes, C-U-B-E-S. First, we're going to do the C, and the C stands for circle key numbers, the C stands for circle key numbers and units. We know that numbers would be 1, 2, 3, and units would be things such as dollars, feet. And when you are circling key numbers and units, you are asking yourself, what do I know? What do I know? Now the U in cubes stands for underline the question. If you underline the question that is in the word problem, it can help you. And you are asking yourself, what am I being asked to solve? What am I being asked to solve? The B stands for box math clue words. You want to box math clue words, and that is going to be when you ask yourself, am I adding or subtracting? The E stands for to evaluate and eliminate. Evaluate and eliminate. And by evaluating and eliminating, that is helping you to get rid of any information that you do not need. So you would ask yourself, is there information, I'm just going to put info, that I don't need? Sometimes in word problems, you are given information you don't need, and that can trick you. But if you eliminate or cross out that additional information, that helps you to focus on the information that you do need. Now the S stands for solve and show work. So after you circle key numbers, underline the question, box clue words, evaluate and eliminate, then you can solve and show your work for a math problem. This is where you would check to see, does my answer make sense? Okay, so to review, cubes is a strategy that you can use to help you work on word problems. The C stands for circle key numbers and units. And the question you would ask yourself is, what do I know? The U stands for underline the question. You would ask yourself, what am I being asked to solve? The B stands for box math clue words. You would ask yourself, am I adding or subtracting? E stands for evaluate and eliminate. Is there information I don't need? And then S stands for solve and show work. Does my answer make sense? Now that we have went over the cube strategy, I also wanted to go over some math action words that you can use to help you determine if you're adding or subtracting in a word problem. Okay, so any words that can be used to let you know that you need to add, I'm going to write them here. And any words that can be used to let you know that we're subtracting, I'll put them here. So certainly if you see the word add, you know you would add. If you see the word all together, you would add. If you see the word both, you would add. If you see the word or words in all, you would add. If you see the word plus, you would add. If you see the word some, you would add. If you saw total, you would add. Now those are some words that you might notice in a word problem that will let you know you're adding. And we are going to come up with words that you might see in a word problem that will let you know to subtract. If you see the word decrease, that would let you know to subtract. If you see the word fewer, that would let you know to subtract. If you saw the words less than, that would let you know to subtract. If you saw the word minus, that would let you know to subtract. If you saw the word difference, that would let you know to subtract. If you saw the word subtract, you would need to subtract. And lastly, if you saw the words take away, you would need to subtract. To review, there are words in word problems that help to tell you what operation you need to perform to solve the problem correctly. If you are adding, you might see the words add, altogether, both, in all, plus, sum, or total. If you are subtracting, you might see the words decrease, fewer, less than, minus, difference, subtract, or take away.